Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show details about the Wall Street Pepe. This project where you can find a complete information. We will also give you deep dive review. This video is for just educational purpose. You can check your Pepe and there is meme. Wall Street Pepe launching on the Solana because of lightning fast transaction. You can easily check first of all how it works actually. And you can also get there a complete link in my video descriptions too. And here is VIP. VIP means Wall Street Pepe token. There you can find at this time $0.001 as our token price. You can use crypto, you can use Visa or Apple Pay, so you can also grab this token. And this token that is just not about the coin. It's about the journey. On the Solana meme coin where you can get back by back and burning. There is Mulligan VIP where you can find soul liquidity. Yes, it comes straight from the project reserve because the army fund its own expansion. And it is also a coin countless 3x, near to 10x an army of traders. Now VIP is invading Solana. Faster, cheaper, greener. Wall Street Pepe is not launching a token. He is declaring war become best Solana meme coin of 2025. Yes, you can easily swap your Ethereum to Sol and then it will convert into the VIP token. How to buy? There is very simple. First, you need to connect your Ethereum wallet to the site. You can get Solana as from the crypto site. Confirm your Sol address token airdrop will be expand after event. Yes, you can use on buy Ethereum or there is also very simple option for you. You can use here how much is total number of token with the address and there is Solana address too. Their next retail is about 2,817. Burn current burning on the Ethereum. There is also launching. When it will be burned, you can find for the scarcity, transparency and for the worth as the token value. So there, everything is here. Not only this, who a legend is born. That is a stone trader who crashed in all Wall Street. Yes, this is in crypto, beating the whale at its own game. And we can easily check how it works. There is also the army symbol. There is basically it's time to join this, and here is VIP and NFTs. NFTs are really impressive work. In the crypto, there you can check that the token VIP is going to use our utility. For the public NFTs for reserve alpha, there is chat member who will use this short quest. If you want to see what is the roadmap, according to this, you can find. Like a new road is here, VIP is going to making community all over the global level with supercharging. VIP launching on Solana exchange listing very soon. And this is not just about the promises. This is for educational purpose only. So do your research on before any participation or enter into the ecosystem. Wall Street Pepe community quest. There is join community. VIP wants to you. So here you can get some other articles and some news about. You can like on Twitter, Telegram, and there are some other memes about the community. Join their community, create the memes, get VIP token as a reward. There you can easily check American Party. Yes, there is how this is working on Ethereum on Solana. There is also some launching and you can easily buy in a sale zone. So that was we are going to share with you, and you can also join everything that you need to know. If you want to know and you want to get some further information about, then there is like what does it mean, how does this is working. You can even get there is also official Twitter and Telegram with 60,000 members already joined. So be ready, grab the opportunity, how it is really going to be next Chiamfu. So get ready for that and happy building with Pip.